In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Vibrate when your iPhone is silent. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and now we can turn on silent mode on our device. To do that, just switch that button, and now it says silent mode on. And let's say now we want to still be able to get Vibrate feedback about notifications. That's quite simple and easy to do so, and all we have to do is just head over to settings, then sounds and haptics, and then just scroll down to the very bottom where we can find play haptics in silent mode. All you have to do in order to turn on Vibrate or haptic feedback in silent mode is just turn this feature on. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.